Hey, welcome back to my channel. And as you notice, I'm doing a voiceover for my vlog today. My audio is really bad if I'm using my mic, so see for yourself. So it's gonna be a quick video because I'm about to go to work today and it's a Saturday.
I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
This is actually my favorite restaurant in the compound, so in case you go here, please check them out. They offer a wide array of food and beverage choices, just perfect for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They got meat, fish, salads, burgers, coffee, alcohol, and so much more. The price is okay for Australian standards, of course. The ambience is very rustic and laid back. And here I'll show you a nook where I took a photo for my IG. And there you go. A shout out to Glyza.
When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out.
Please enjoy.
If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotions. Put it all out in the open. Don't tell me it's time to go. Wandered too broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost in out of focus and we don't know where the road is. Still know you'll meet.
So I'm just gonna set up my camera to see if I really fit in the frame. Oh, hello. The Grounds of Alexandria is the best Sydney cafe for me because it's just a complete showcase of the home-styled food, coffee, and a lot of in-betweens. It's situated in a former factory, industrially designed with bricks and garden, perfect for all ages and even pets. I'm not sure how often they change their theme, but yeah, every now and then they do to cater to certain timely events.
Waking up this morning, the last thing I thought I'd be thinking about would be you. I opened up the blinds and saw your hair tie on my windowsill. Not gonna lie, haven't talked to you in a while. What if I just hit you up? Would it still feel the same? I'm not the same that I used to be. But some things don't change, and some things don't change. Bet you're just as fly as you were that night that we both got high on the bleachers and got kicked out. In our heads as we looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart. I knew the minute I saw you standing there in line, it had to be fate. So in your phone you didn't notice.
They also have this mini barn going on. Not sure if you can see, but those are long haired chickens, not the normal one your dad loves more than you. So you can take photos, but not with flash, obviously. You're not allowed to feed them or pet them, but hey, who's watching? But my favorite one is here somewhere. He's really cute, but he's not the original one here. I think the previous one got too sick and but this one is living the life. Oh, what a babe.
I knew the minute I saw you standing there in line, it had to be fate. So in your phone you didn't notice me till I came and said I know that it's been a long time, but it's crazy cause I just followed you the other day. Never takes long with us. Following you back to your place. Feels like we're right where we left off, and now I'll make sure this time I make it count. Cause we're not the same that we used to be. But some things don't change, and some things don't change. Just as fly as you were that night that we both got high on the bleachers and fell in love. Our heads as we looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart. In over our heads as we looked at the stars, nothing can tear us apart. Like nothing can tear us apart.
Welcome to Salcedo Market. Charot! I don't know. It's just a weekend market for this one. They sell stuff such as clothes, soaps, accessories, and I don't know, other stuff. I don't really enjoy these things. I'm not a fan, and it's also really expensive. I mean, you can get something like this somewhere else, but for cheaper. So, yeah, pretty much that's it for the tour. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully, you'll watch my next vlog.